Welcome to David's Toys Games.
Hi everyone, welcome to David's Toys Games. Today, do you know what toys today? Let's find out. I don't know what it is too. Maybe let's find out. Maybe it'll be a surprise. Let's go find out. It's a Benton egg. Let's open it. Whoa, it's a Benton collectible minifigure. Benton collectible minifigures. Six, seven.
This is what's you're supposed to collect.
Okay, let's open them up and see what's inside. Ooh, we got Accelerate. Hit Accelerate. Let's open the other one. I got Heat Blast. Here we have Heat Blast. Here's Heat Blast. We have Diamond Head. I can't. Now I did it. Here's Diamond Head. We have 4 arms and the boy right here. Silly. There's 4 arms. An extra 4 arms.
Another one.
Yeah, I got 2 double 4 arms. I got an extra diamond head also. Oh my God. Cannon.
Here's Cannonbolt. Here's Ventus. Now let's get Ventus. And here's Ventus. Here's Ventus. Let's open another one. Come back, upgrade. Woohoo! Here's upgrade. Oh, he has a really cool. And upgrade. let's open another one. Here we go. Here's Hex. Hi everybody. Welcome to Hex Talks and Games. Yeah.
Okay, so this is my Ben 10 Photo Mini Figures. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye everyone!